On April 22, 2025, tragedy struck the peaceful meadows of Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. 26 innocent lives, mostly tourists, including a Nepali citizen, were lost in a brutal attack claimed by the Resistance Front, a proxy terrorist group. Over 3 dozen more were injured, making it the deadliest civilian attack in Kashmir in nearly 2 decades. The attackers had a clear motive: to shatter our peace and create divisions among us by targeting people based on religion. But let's talk about what's happened since. Our government didn't sit idle. There's been a nationwide crackdown, dozens arrested, terror-linked properties demolished, and diplomatic measures taken. Security has been ramped up everywhere. The Attari-Wagah border is closed, and even sporting events have been pulled back. Media warnings and advisories are out to keep things calm, and all political parties, across lines, have called for unity. Internationally, there's been condemnation from all major powers, but also pressure and some tense words exchanged. Now I want to speak from the heart. This is for my Hindu and Muslim brothers, sisters, and friends. I know these times are difficult. There's hurt, there's anger, and yes, a small drift between us. True Muslims, I know, are feeling just as horrified and ashamed by the actions of these terrorists. Remember, because of a handful of violent extremists, we cannot and should not blame an entire community. Ask yourself, if someone lied about their faith and you acted in blind hate, would you even know whom you're hurting? Religion, at its core, is just a label, like schoolhouses with different colors, meant for healthy competition. Underneath, our blood runs the same. Unless someone's got blue or green blood, right? Pause. Gentle chuckle. Let's rise above. Let's stand together as one world, one family. Let's be guided by humanity, living, loving, and respecting each other. Love unites, hate divides. We're all fighting our own battles. Let's not create more. Together, we're stronger. Jai Hind.